Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. In this video I'm talking about the latest update, the latest price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, you know what? Today I'm very happy. I'm feeling very good about Hedera Hashgraph, and I hope that you are also feeling good about Hedera Hashgraph. My friends, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now and also like this video for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, you can see here that the changes of the Hedera Hashgraph is completely positive. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive. Every day the price of the Hedera Hashgraph pump increase every day, my friends. And you know what, due to these changes, I recommend for everybody that invest now more and more in the Hedera Hashgraph. And on the other side, if you look the price changes, so 0.202157 USD dollar is the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph. So that's another way. Due to the low price, due to the positive changes, I recommend for everybody to invest now in the Hedera Hashgraph. Absolutely, my friends, profit. You know what, a lot of people ask me that how to make a profit with the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, you can see the buy now Hedera Hashgraph, the price is positive. Every day the price increase of the Hedera Hashgraph. So this is how you can get a very huge amount of profit from Hedera Hashgraph. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.